Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to find the Afterpay card security code. Alright, let's begin. If you are looking for a security code for your Afterpay card, it is important to understand how the Afterpay card works. Unlike traditional debit or credit cards, the digital Afterpay card does not have a standard 3-digit security code printed on it. This is completely normal and does not mean there is a problem with your account. Instead of using a security code, Afterpay is designed to work directly through the app. For in-store purchases, you use the Afterpay app to generate a payment or add the Afterpay card to your phone's digital wallet, such as Apple Pay or Google Pay. The payment is authorized securely within the app. For online purchases, you do not need a security code either. You simply select Afterpay as the payment method at checkout, sign in to your Afterpay account, and complete the purchase through the platform. So, that's basically how you can find the Afterpay card security code. That's it for this video. Thanks.